Hi guys, this is Gaurav. Welcome back to Taurus Tech. And the Realme 7 series has been launched in India, and it was launched on October 3rd, which is 8 days from now, and it has had a huge sale in India. So in this video, we are going to be talking about the Realme 7 Pro, which is the top end version of the Realme 7 series, and this phone starts at around 19,900 rupees. So is it actually worth that amount? Let's talk about that. Starting off with the back, the Realme 7 Pro has a lot of similarities with the Realme 7 series. It has a matte finish in the back, which does not attract a lot of fingerprints, but when you scratch and scuff the phone, it is pretty visible, and it is going to be difficult for cleaning when you clean the phone. And let's now directly jump into the Realme 7 Pro specifications. So this phone comes with a 6.6-inch display, which is an full HD display and comes in IPS LCD display. So this is going to be a downgrade for the Realme 6 series users, because the 6 series had AMOLED display and the 7 series comes with IPS LCD display, which is a downgrade, but it has a 90 Hz refresh rate display, which is a good thing compared to the Realme 6 series. The processor on this phone is a Snapdragon 720G, which comes with an Adreno 608 GPU, and the RAM on this phone comes with two variants, that is 6GB RAM and 8GB RAM. The storage is similar. It comes with two variants. It is a 64GB storage or 128. If you're going for 6GB RAM version, you're going to get 64GB of storage, and if you're going for 8GB of RAM version, you're going to get 128GB of storage. And both of these series has a dedicated micro SD card slot. So the camera on this phone is a quad cam setup, and this is quite similar to the Realme 6 series. It comes with a 64 megapixels main camera, which is a good thing, but an 8 megapixels ultra wide sensor, 2 megapixels depth sensor, and another 2 megapixels macro shooter. The battery on this phone is a 4500 mAh battery, but it comes with a 65 watt fast charging support, which is very rapid. It's going to be very fast. And this phone runs on Realme UI, which is based on Android 10. So the pricing of this phone starts from around 19,900 rupees, which is only available on Flipkart. And the first version, that is a 6GB RAM and the 64GB of storage version, is going to be priced at around 19,900. This phone has very much to offer, and this is going to be a solution for a lot of people who are craving for a fast charging solution, who are on a rapid zip and go. So this is going to be the solution for them. It is a very well built phone. Bloatware aside, it has a lot of features to give to Indian users, but as I've already mentioned in the title, it is a one step forward and two step backwards. So it has a lot of positives and a lot of negatives in this phone. So this is a very rare combination with a lot of negatives and a lot of positives. So first, we're going to be talking about negatives about this phone. So this phone is a downgrade for the people. The camera is a downgrade for the people who are coming from Realme 6 series. It has a lot of bloatware and a lot of ads. When you open a browser or music player, you can see ads in the screen, which is a very bad experience for a user. And it has too much bloatware in it. So this phone has a lot of bloatware in it. And coming to the positives on this phone, so this positives can take over the negatives sometimes, but a lot of people are going to be only looking at the positives. So here are the positives. It has a 65 watt fast charging support, which is very good. The battery usage, the battery optimization is good. The software optimization is really good, and it has a very impressive battery life. So what's my final verdict about this phone? So this phone, the Realme 7 Pro, is a very well built phone. It has a very well optimized software, and it is a step forward, but the camera is an old camera which is coming from the Realme 6 series, but it has a 65 watt fast charging support, which covers up the fact that it has an old camera. A lot of people are not looking for camera, so you can go for the 65 watt fast charging thing, and you can buy the Realme 7 Pro. But adding to it a 4500 mAh battery and a Snapdragon 720G processor with an Adreno 608 GPU makes this phone a very well balanced phone. Unfortunately, the bloatware and the ad-ridden interface takes away the user experience, and that user experience is what is important for me personally. And in this price point, in the similar price point, Poco X3 offers a lot compared to the Realme 7 Pro. It has a better processor, not that better, but the performance is going to be a little better. The camera is very better, and there are no ads only in India. So only in India the Poco X3 does not have any ads and no bloatware. So for me, the experience of the phone matters, and Poco X3 compared to this phone is gonna be a better buy if you're gonna go for a smartphone right now. So this was all for today's video. I hope you liked this, and if you did, do not forget to leave a thumbs up, share it with your friends so that they can watch this video as well. Subscribe if you're new around here. My name is Gaurav. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.